Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to load data into our HDFS and perform on these queries. So here we have already given a link for data. So if you open this, so here you will have four different type of data sets. So you need to choose which data set you need to get in order to perform those analysis. So I am going here with continuous data set. So I have already downloaded the continuous data set in my file in my laptop. So you can see here in the downloads, I have already downloaded this and I have performed some operations on this data set. Since if you just download this and import without any performing any operations, while you will face some issues while you download this data, while you import this data into HDFS. Since like previously, like the both match date and year was in the same column, so I have performed some operations and do it in separate columns. Like for date, it is a one column, and for year, it is another column. So now I am going to show you like how to upload this file from our um, laptop location to the um, Hive one. So for this, you need to get a Mobile Extreme app. So just Google it on Mobile Extreme download. I have already did this. I'm just showing here like, so just you go and download here the home edition free. So after you download this one, and just you will get a zip file and extract the mobile extreme from that one. I have already done that, so I'm not doing it again. So once you log into your Cloudera one, you will have this option. So here if you go and if you go to the upload, so you can just upload whatever you want, like the both like mobile extreme and the continuous data set one. So you just click here so that it will get upload. So I will show you since I have already done this. So if you go to here downloads, you can see here like the dataset I have already uploaded and the app I have already done here. So in order to uh, do this from this desktop to this Hue one, so you need to open this mobile extreme one and then just establish a connection. So go to session here and then SSH and then just give the host. Like you will everyone has different hosts. So for me it is like this one, like the 10.21.5.164. This is my host. You will have your on your screen, so just um, follow that, like 10.21.5.164 and then here Cloudera and then okay and then give again password, then click enter. So you can see like here, from here you can upload this. So if you just go to here the downloads, since I have it done here, so you can see this continuous dataset 2, which I am going to work on this. So if for you, you can just do here upload the current folder and it will give you the direction. So if it is not direct to downloads, if it may be somewhat like this desktop, so you can just choose from here like the downloads and then just upload the file. So since I have already done, so I'm not doing it again. So once it is done, we are good to go. So now here you can like just create a new database, or you can just upload the file into the existing database. Since I have already done that, I'm just showing you. So here I have created the data with the database with the data name. So I have already uploaded here the CSV table here, continuous CSV. So if you want to upload new one, you can just go to the here new. So and then just go to the location and just give the location and just open. So you will be able to upload the file. So if you want to create a new database, a new directory, you can just go to here and give and just like type whatever you want, like new data one like that. So it will give a new directory. So I have created a data directory and then I have uploaded my CSV table, CSV file into this one. So now after this, here you have an inbound Hive. Just go to the Hive and here you can see this plus symbol, like a create a table. So if you just select here and just go to the Cloudera, so this is the path which we are already in. So just click here so that it will we are good to go. Like we can just upload this here. So right. Yeah. So just click on it and you can see the preview too. Since I have already done, it is showing here like it is already existed. So by doing this, now you have created your table here. So now we can perform query on this. So if you go to the query here and like you can choose Impala or Hive. I'm choosing Impala since it is I feel like it is some faster than Hive. So you can see here already I have performed these queries. So for our first question, like um, load this data is now it is done. And then the following query in Hive or Impala. So total number of ODA played during this time frame. For this, I run this query like select count of distinct scorecard from count. So if you just select and run this, we can see that so 3,747 ODI matches fame in that time frame. And now for the second question, like the total number of ODI played during the time, total number of teams participated. So for that, I have run this query like select count distinct of select that in the team one. If you want to see the data sample, you can like if you want to know whether the data has been inputted properly or not, so you can just go here and show details and you can just see the sample data here. So you can see the data has been loaded. So from this you can make sure like yes, whatever you did in a proper way. So in order to get like total number of teams played, so I have done this query. So if I run this query, I can able to see how many different number of teams. So 23 different number of teams have participated. Uh, I mean, we have 23 number of different number of teams data in our CSV file. So for next question, if you see here which team won the most ODI during this time frame. So for this, I have written this query. So in order to get the most number of winners, so we need to function like group by and order by descending. So since we need the only the topmost, I have written here limit one. Otherwise, we can just check. I mean the second one also. So if you just put the limit one, we are getting the topmost team, that is Australia, which won the most. So if you want to see all, you can just write this like this. And if you perform this query, you can see the following sequence. So first one will be Australia, second one is India, Pakistan, West Indies, like that. Since we just need the top team, we can just write like this limit one. Next, like we want to know during this decades, during this particular time period, which team won the most matches. So for this, I have done this query. We can do this in multiple ways, but I have chosen the easiest one to so that it will be easily understandable to everyone. So I have done like this, and if you perform this, you can see like by decade, like each time period which team won the most. So during this time period England won the most number of matches. During this time period West Indies won the most matches. During this period India won the most matches. I hope in this video I am able to clearly explain you how to load the data and how to perform analysis on the hue. So You can choose here hue or impel, it doesn't matter. You can just write the query in hue also and it will give the same result. For just like for sake, you can just see. But I felt like doing it in Impala is much faster than High, so I did an Impala. So you can just see the time difference. Like since now it is also loading, just to perform this query, it is taking some while. It will give the result at the end. Anyhow, you will give the same result to get it done. It will take some time. Yeah, you can see we got the same result in the High, but it is taking much more time compared to Impala. So that's why I did it. I hope this video helps you.